Ever pondered the ins and outs of efficiently managing your Windows storage? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive into the nitty-gritty of Windows storage management. Firstly, checking disk usage is a simple yet effective way to start. Open File Explorer. Give a right-click on a drive and select Properties. This action unveils the amount of disk space used and identifies large folders or files that may be hogging precious storage. Next, Storage Sense becomes your ally. This handy feature, which you can enable in settings, is like a digital housekeeper. It automatically frees up space by removing unnecessary files. Think of it as a diligent custodian, always on the lookout for storage to reclaim. But wait, there's more. The Disk Cleanup utility steps into the picture. Running this tool deletes temporary files and system files, effectively reducing storage clutter. It's like an electronic broom, sweeping away the cobwebs of superfluous data. Then it's time to manage those installed apps. Through Settings, navigate to Apps and take a hard look at what's there. Uninstall unused or large applications that are just gathering digital dust. It's akin to clearing out an old wardrobe, making space for the new and useful. Now let's shift gears to System Restore. Adjusting System Restore settings can manage the space used by restore points. It's a bit like rearranging the furniture to make the room more spacious. Lastly, reviewing downloads and documents is crucial. Manually delete unnecessary files from these folders. It's the equivalent of going through old mail and discarding the junk. To summarize, efficient Windows storage management involves several steps: checking disk usage, enabling Storage Sense using the Disk Cleanup tool, managing installed apps, adjusting System Restore settings, and reviewing downloads and documents. With these steps, you have the power to optimize and manage your Windows storage with ease and precision. So the next time you find yourself scrolling through endless files and wondering where all your storage went, remember these steps. They are your key to unlocking a cleaner, more organized, and efficient Windows system. Scene script, voiceover. Now that we've taken this journey together through the world of Windows storage management, we hope you found value in the information provided. Knowledge is power, and you're now equipped with the tools to master your Windows storage. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us know that we're on the right track, providing useful content for you. And if you want to keep learning and stay updated on all things tech, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly post insightful content like this. Remember, mastery takes practice, so don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher on managing your Windows storage. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to learn together.